Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then hit Edit button right next to the delayed one and change wherever you wish to. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!